In this video, I will show you how to create Arabic caption on CapCut. After you open the CapCut, now here is my voice. So now right click on the voice or the video you want to create the caption for it. So now my voice, I will right click on it, go to this create compound clip. So after you create compound clip for the video or for the video you want to create, just go to this caption button. After you go to the caption, so now my voice in English. If I want to create Arabic caption, I'll just go ahead and click on this spoken language. I'll make sure I choose the English language for the voice and then click on this option and choose Arabic. But if your voice is in Arabic, and you want to get the Arabic caption, just in this spoken language, choose the Arabic. After you choose Arabic for the spoken language, so from there it will give you the only Arabic language. But if your voice is in English and you want the Arabic caption for your voice, just choose this and then just click on Arabic. So after it finish generating, here you'll be able to see two captions as you can see now. So here is the English one and here is the Arabic one. So if you want to use the only Arabic one, so I will now delete the English Arabic like this, the English. So after you delete the English caption, so now select all the Arabic caption. After you select all the Arabic caption, so go to this caption, go to the text and increase the size. So I will now increase the size of the caption. So after you increase the size of the caption like this now, so here is now the caption. So now I'll take this image to see all the caption. Here is it. So now if you want to add some animation to your caption, just go ahead and select all the caption and go to this text animation, go to caption. So from this option now, go ahead now and choose any animation for your caption. So for me, I'll go with this one. After you select it, so now as you can see now if you play your video, the caption will go with the animation you add to it. As you can see, here is it. If you want to increase the size of the caption, just select all the caption like this and go to this text and size, font size. You can increase the size in this option, and that's it. And if you want to change the animation, after you select all the text, go to this animation caption. So from there you can be able to see different caption animation for your Arabic and choose one from it, and that's it. If this video helps out, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.